Good morning, 16th of December 2013, almost 9 CET morning. The important thing, live trading room has the educational purpose only. Trading FX on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You can sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investments. Do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Important risk warning. Most probably it's last week of this year where the liquidity should be quite okay. We should have some possibilities to make few trades. Let's start. European market is open right now. Let's start with euro dollar. Let's see what we can expect here. We have the weekly chart. Still, it looks like bulls want to push it higher, but once we are below the resistance, we still have a chance to retest the resistance and go lower. There is a scenario number one based on the weekly chart. The second scenario is breakout, pullback, and if holds, going long. So 38.30, as we mentioned before, is quite important level at this moment. What we can expect above 38.30? We have something around 41.50. Exactly 41, 48, 41.50. So moving above 38.30, still we have around 3 figures up possible move, and then even higher toward 145. Let's see daily. As a bulls, we are worried that even moving higher from here, it could be like false break to the upside. What we would like to see from the bulls perspective, move back towards support first, some kind of consolidation, and then eventually go up. Why is that? Because we think that this move is one-way ticket too strong. And another break to the upside, it could be only like false break. move back under resistance test, and this scenario from the burst perspective. So 38.30, definitely we have to watch that level this week. There could be some stop hunting from market maker's side, and we can use it in our favor. So let's see what we can expect from the market, what's going to happen later today. And some intraday. Intraday traders should watch 37.65.70 as a potential selling area, with tight stop. Moving back towards 37, breaking 37, simply we can calculate as a double range, 36.50. Something like this. Tight stop, I mean, quite good question. Few pips just above the selling level. Of course, these days, almost end of the year, the stop could be so tight, but anyway, if you think that this level will hold, you should calculate the distance from the selling zone. It's a 64 to the first support. It's a 09. Let's calculate 14, so 50 pips. You have to try to trade 3 to 1. So from the selling zone, max 15 pips should be your stop loss. 15 pips beat. Every time when you want to make a decision, trading decision, you should know the numbers. You can run the numbers. You should know where to open, what kind of the stop loss. Sometimes it's a very fast action, it's a very fast moving market, and before you make a trade you should know exactly the numbers you are aware of. So it should be as simply as that. So for intraday traders, burst scenario, waiting for test of selling zone. If holds, sell. But we also have something for bulls. Moving above. Depends. What are you going to see here during the breakout? You've seen some kind of the pullback. Most probably we are not going, if it's going to be the real breakout, we are not going to see some kind of consolidation. Would be great to see this pullback and then going up immediately. And how we can calculate? The same. And as simply as that, 38.30. So both scenarios for bears and bulls, I would say equal 50-50 from that perspective. And again, if we are trading for around 60-70 pips, 3-1 breakout, so our stop should be around 20 pips. And again, with this type of the market, almost end of the year, it's a bigger danger to trade that way. But anyway, we have plan A for bears, we have plan B for bulls. Don't chase the market, wait, see what's going on. Try to put yourself into the skin of market makers position, and then start from here. So we have like European range here, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, next the British pound. No changes here. Last week here we have a trend line which holds. Last week we tested the line, so we are in a position where bulls should start thinking about the long position. The thing is that it's an I'm sorry. The thing is that it's quite good start if we want to compare risk to eventual reward. Very tight stop. This breaking candle, if we want to watch the candle, we want to use some movements to describe where is the best place to place, where is the best place we should have our stop loss. So around 61, we are trading 63, so we should look for 600 pips. Unfortunately, we can see 67,221 as the first resistance, so maybe we should wait for another test of 6250. Uh, 6250 to 61, so distance is going to be 150. We should trade for 450 from 6250, is going to giving us exactly 67. So 321. So it's scenario we like in a midterm. So looking to buy around 6250 with stop around 61 and target 67. So the basic scenario of this plan is 321. Of course, we have to monitor our position. We have to manage this position accordingly. So let's see what's going to happen with British pound. The only move back below 6250, and so it's the first one. The scenario long position is for bulls, but bears have to wait for move back below 6250, close there, even better move back below this line. So from the midterm perspective, bears have time can watch the market. So wait for some breakdowns, or wait for bulls to move towards 67 and see the price action there, if there going to be any reason to attack short side of the market. What we can see on daily, the same situation. Great, would be great to see one more test of 62.50. Some kind of consolidation, the bulls scenario. So really bulls have a chance to move higher with check euro dollar. There are both scenarios equal, like 50-50. Here we would say bulls at this moment, bulls have bigger chance to go higher. Intraday, we would say buy low towards 63.40. Try to buy as low as possible. You will have tight stop. Your risk reward is going to be bigger. It's the name of the game. The risk reward, the start, the money management. It's those two important things. Where you open your position, what is going to be your initial risk reward. Then you have to, of course, manage your position accordingly to the situation on the market. So based on those two currencies, two pairs, euro dollar, British pound dollar, would you like to go short USD? Try to use British pound, as the potential here is bigger, so long British pound USD. Would you like to go long USD? Means you can try to use euro dollar to go short. Euro dollar means go long greenback. Let's see what's going on. Japanese yen. We mentioned a few times 103.70 is a key. It has been tested last week. We saw the pullback from 103.70. We can see on the weekly base here, you can see the range, and within that range sell high, buy low this week. It could make perfect sense. Move above the resistance. It could easily open the way to move above 110. Just using this easy calculation, but first target on dollar yen, first For bulls it's 108.30. We mentioned in this target in one of our earlier comments, and if 103.70 holds, then we would use intraday rallies to take the advantage of the short position and selling rallies while below 103.70. With euro dollar, with British pound dollar, overall with USD, we could see some movements, and we could see some direction after Wednesday FMOC. So could be that until Wednesday some range trading. We could see some range trading until the Wednesday, so be aware of this Wednesday FMOC meeting. So weekly or bulls can try to consolidate here, and if everything will be okay, finally we could break up. Here how it looks on the daily. Intraday, bulls almost gave back all this move up. $76.4 if someone wants to use Fibonacci. So still some possibilities to go lower. Intraday traders definitely should watch this low here. And can try to buy low. What about bears? Definitely, especially waiting for Fed, bears should be patient and wants to use intraday moves to open the short position. I would say instead of this level, it's better to wait for 103.70 again. What next? Let's see Euro JPY. On weekly, it's going to be crazy. As we mentioned, it's possible to rise toward 150. Here we have first line of support 138.55. We mentioned this level in one of our morning comments. So at this moment, buy dips. Here we have some kind of consolidation. Back, still possible, but overall in a mid-long term we are in an uptrend. So what shall we do on intraday basis? Obvious support. And we expect, as everyone knows, that most probably here below that line we have a lot of stops. Even those should tell us, it should be like warning sign. Even if we want to go long, it's better to be patient, to see the action, to see the stop hunting back above, and then we can think about the long position. We don't have to chase the market, we don't have to open the position every day. We have to see clear signs that yes, this particular move, we have a big chance here, then we can take the advantage of it. Don't chase the market, don't try to be smarter. Calculate your risk reward properly. So first, we would like to see some stop hunting below 140.90, just 50 pips. Everything can happen here very easily. So really be patient. We have to be patient. And last pair you would like to take a look at, it's Euro British Pound. In our opinion, very interesting things. $84 plus minus 20 pips. We are at resistance right now. We want to see the action here, and we are very close. For short signal here. Great risk reward. So definitely we are watching Euro British Pound. In a midterm, ideally we would like to see slightly higher prices, cleaning some stops here at 84.50, and then bam, back down. Great risk reward. Let's see what's going to happen here. Intraday, we have a pullback already from the 84.40, unfortunately. So intraday traders can try to watch 84.35, so still very close 84.50. So let's see what's going to happen here, but it's definitely worth to watch this pair. And quickly let's see if we have any intraday movements, if we can make a live trade. And a live call. If bulls are going to have the problem here to move back above the support, so we could see the continuation to retest the low 88.70, as we mentioned a few times, very important support. On the monthly chart, so intraday traders should watch current market action here. On British pound, we are still waiting. We are within the range. Buy low, sell high, or buy above the resistance 63.50. Let's see what's going to happen here. Dollar yen, we are waiting for some stops hunting. Euro British pound, we are waiting for 84.35.50, and Euro JPY waiting for some stops hunting below 140.90. Market is very quiet right now, so we would like to say thank you. We have few scenarios for bulls and bears. Please don't forget about FMOC this Wednesday. It could affect, definitely it's going to affect the market, US dollar market. So until then, with dollar pairs, we could see some range movement. But until Wednesday, we can watch Euro British pound, Japanese currencies pairs. So there is a lot of things to do. Please remember about risk reward, proper money management. If you have any questions, just let us know. Facebook, email, whatever you want, we are here to help. Have a great Monday, have a great rest of the Monday. Watch our Facebook, watch our website for any live updates. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye bye.